In the past 2 years, due to the popularity of new energy vehicles, the new energy motor industry has shown a positive trend. Thus, new processes and new technologies have been continuously upgraded as a new type of manufacturing process. The application of laser in the motor industry is becoming more and more mature, and the scope of application is also becoming more and more extensive. Tan-Hong Laser, with 21 years of technology experience, provides laser processing solutions for the motor industry in laser welding, laser cutting, laser marking, laser strip